Shenzhen JJH-display Company Limited. Established was in 2015. It is a specialized manufacturer focused on high-end custom display cabinets. Since its founding, JJH Factory has excelled in the custom display cabinet industry with its internationally advanced designs, superior craftsmanship, and 24 hours by 7 days global response service. To date, JJH Factory has successfully produced and delivered over 20,000 display cabinet projects, exporting to key global markets including North America, Europe, and the Asia-Pacific region. It provides unique display solutions for numerous brands, earning widespread trust worldwide. JJH Factory operates a 4,450 square meter modern production workshop, equipped with advanced manufacturing machinery and tools, providing a solid hardware foundation for the high efficiency and high-quality production of display cabinets. JJH Factory boasts a highly skilled and collaborative team, including a multitude of professional designers, 40 master craftsmen, and 7 experienced project teams, all working together to deliver exceptional custom display solutions. Designers excel in discerning brand requirements and market trends, skillfully integrating creativity and aesthetics into design drafts, while craftsmen ensure the precise realization of every design element with their masterful techniques. Moreover, JJH Factory possesses strong development capabilities and efficient execution. Enabling quick responses to customer demands, it offers a on-the-stop customization service covering design, production, and doorstep delivery. JJH continuously delivers exceptional value to its partners through deep industry expertise, outstanding craftsmanship, and superior service. If you need a customizable brand display solution, please feel free to contact JJH Factory at any time.